Hello everyone, thank you for joining Taleweavers Alliance for this visual novel tutorial. Today we're working on a mini scene using the game engine Ren'Py, which is completely free to download. Let's get started. After we've opened the game engine, we'll click Create New Project here. The directory is the folder that all of the game's files will save in. After you choose the location the game will save to, you'll get this information screen. Click Continue, then name your project. You can change this later. Your project resolution is the size and quality of the game's window. I'm choosing 1920 by 1080 for this game. Now you'll get to choose your UI colors. This can all be changed, and we will show you how to do custom UI in a future video, but this will do as a foundation for now. Click Continue and Ren'Py will create your project. Select it in your projects list once it's done loading, and click Launch Project. This is what your project looks like before we make any changes. We're going to quit the project for now and open the editor. Ren'Py will prompt you to install an editor if you don't already have one. We are using Microsoft Visual Studio. Ren'Py's default character is named Eileen. I want to replace Eileen with my own character, Winter, so I'm going to define Winter up here. Her shortcut is just W, so we don't have to type out her whole name each time. I'm also replacing each E for Eileen in the placeholder script with W for Winter. Since we deleted the shortcut for Eileen, if we left it as E, the engine won't know how to read the script properly. Then I'm going up to the top menu where it says Run and running the game. Now we can go back to the Ren'Py launcher and launch our game again. Once you've launched your game, hit Start. You'll see that the character speaking is now called Winter. The text and images you see now are just Ren'Py's placeholders. Follow along with me as I replace the placeholder lines with my own. It's important to remember to start the text you want your character to say with their shortcut, in this case, W. Back in the Ren'Py launcher, we're going to open up the Images directory. Here you'll place any images of characters and backgrounds for your scene. I've already added in a picture of Winter. Putting Winter's picture in is pretty straightforward. You can type show, then the name of the file exactly as it is in the Images directory. You can see my new picture is in the game, but it's way too big. The best way to fix this is to resize the picture in the Images folder, but there's also a way to do it in Ren'Py. Resizing it in the engine can be helpful when you want to use the same image and have it change sizes throughout the game. After Show Winter's Smile, I'm going to add a colon, then go to the next line, indent, and type Zoom 0.5. You can also move your character all around the screen. We'll do a more in-depth transitions tutorial in the future, but for now, take a look at the script I wrote for moving her left and right across the screen. Another thing we can do is transition the character off the screen completely. Take a look at the script for this. The next thing we're going to do is a bit more complicated, so let's follow along. We're going to create a menu with different choices that the player can choose. You can watch what I type here to create a menu. Feel free to pause the video once I'm done typing if you want to copy what I've written. Here's what it looks like so far. Now we'll add in a background image. Type scene, then the name of your background image in the images directory, which is the same place we put the character image. Finally, I'll put everything we learned together. I'll show you the final video first, then the script.